In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use workloads in Asana. Workload is a powerful way to see who's doing what, when they're doing it, and whether anyone is over capacity. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the view, add tasks with the right timing, and focus on the people or projects that matter most. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home screen. This gives you a clean starting point and a quick snapshot of what's happening across your space. From here, look to the left sidebar and click Projects. This is where you'll find the work you want to manage with workload, organized by teams or favorites, so you can jump straight into the right place. Choose the project you want to check. Pick the one where you need visibility into team capacity or where upcoming deadlines are stacking up. Once the project opens, look along the top tabs. If you don't see a workload tab yet, click the plus sign to add a new view. This lets you bring workload into the project's navigation so you can access it quickly in the future. Now, click Workload. The view opens as a timeline organized by assignee, with tasks shown across the dates they're scheduled. This makes it easy to spot overlaps, gaps, and potential bottlenecks. If your team uses effort or hours fields, those can appear here too, giving you a clearer sense of capacity rather than just counting tasks. To plan new work from this screen, click Add Task and type in the task name. Use a clear, action-oriented title so it's easy to recognize later. If you already know who's responsible, assign it while you name it so it immediately appears on that person's row. Clear naming and ownership are key to making workload meaningful at a glance. Next, choose the date range. Setting realistic start and due dates ensures the task's bar spans the right period on the timeline. Think about dependencies and the time the work actually needs. A well-chosen range prevents accidental overloads and avoids last-minute scrambles. Finally, click Filter. Filters help you focus on what matters right now, like narrowing the view to a single teammate, a specific section, or a certain time window. This is especially helpful during planning meetings when you want to confirm one person's capacity or review only high-priority work. That's the flow. Open your project, enable the workload view if needed, review the timeline, add tasks, set accurate dates, and use filters to stay focused. With these basics, you can quickly understand team capacity, anticipate conflicts early, and keep everyone's workload balanced and sustainable.